It is FAT.
Fat.
What is HER?
Uh,
Put them both together, what do you get?
Fatter.
Okay. What is FAT?
Fat.
What is HER?
Huh.
Put them both together, what do you get?
Fat. That is funny.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Say hello to the faves, Sarah.
Quang. Green juice.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night.
Apple.
It's Sunday morning here. Can you get the apples, Sarah, please? 2 apples.
1, 2.
Good
2
job.
apples.
Sunday morning.
Ginger.
Yes, we're gonna get ginger, and it's raining. It's raining outside. I woke up about 9:30 and I went straight to get some workout in. Okay, got my workout done. As you guys can see, I'm still in workout that I look all sort of raggedy. Just finished working out, and my child been waiting on green juice. She's been coming to me every second saying green juice. I know Tyler.
Mama, hello glasses.
Yeah, Mama put on glasses after. She's been on me ever since I woke up. Mama green juice, mama green juice, mama green juice. So I'm gonna make them the green juice and then go freshen up and get ready for the day. So hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And I know many of you in your neck of the woods, it's freezing, it's cold. So stay warm and subscribe if you're new to the fan band. Catch and keep up. I will see you guys throughout the rest of today. Green juice. What's in my green juice if you're new here? Sarah, what's in the green juice?
In it.
What mama going to put in the green juice?
Here.
Tai, what's in the green juice?
Apples, celery, lemon, ginger, cucumber.
Yes. So if you guys don't hear what Tyler said, what's in the green juice? 5 ingredients, always.
Apple.
Lemon, ginger, apple, celery, cucumber. Yeah, that's it.
Mama, you can come out.
You want to do it? Sarah loves to put it in the juicer.
Mama, we do.
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
She loves eating a lemon.
Please.
Here,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Eat.
Say good morning to the face.
Good morning.
Morning, yeah.
Me.
No, this one is for mama. Put it in mama cup.
Mama, Tata, go ching.
Okay. All 3. Chin.
China. Chin.
You guys, I'm in the kitchen making lunch for my babies. Make them some macaroni and cheese and sausage. And I am going to have raki and saltfish and dumpling. I have some leftovers in the fridge, don't tell anybody. Shout it out loud from the rooftop. Me I got some raki and saltfish. Anyway, that's what I was gonna make salad. See, I even took out the bowl to make salad. And I'm like, I'm gonna eat my raki and saltfish, girl. Oh, hi!
Morning, people.
Oh, hello there.
Afternoon, people.
Good afternoon, mister. Rolling out of bed at 12 p.m.
Yeah.
Look at good life. Look at good life. Babe and I running really. I was in bed this morning while he got up and take care of the kids. Say good morning, Shawty. Okay, what you want to eat? There's some more food in the fridge. Press Sarah, press gas. Ty, drive properly. You have to reverse to go in the. Go now. Go again. Go forward. Go forward now. Turn now. Turn. Go forward. 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 Go. I'm gonna help you. Voila. They're too funny. Nothing gives me more joy than seeing my kids playing together without fighting. Because trust me, they do fight around here every now and then. So it's a struggle. I love seeing them playing together though. They fight, they play more than fighting though, I must say. And their little fighting is funny, hilarious. It's not like a big fight. But yeah, my kids do fight sometimes. You wanna hear Sarah say it's mine and Tala say no, you're to share. Sarah say no, it's the mine. That's the kind of fight they have.
You need to come.
He's gone. They get used to it. Good job. Stop coming off, man. Something missing. Something missing. My phone. All right, game's over. Time to go home. Pack it up. Pack it up. Eh, stop the crying. You can't cry. Come on.
So we're not going to put them here?
No.
Hug. No. Sacilo de sécurité.
I don't know what I am doing here.
Okay. What is FAT?
F-A-T? F-A-T?
Don't think too much.
I don't know.
What is FAT?
Fat?
You're not, I'm not speaking in French. I'm speaking in
Oh,
English.
fat.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go again. What is FAT?
Fat.
Exactly. What is HER?
H?
It's English, not French.
Yeah.
Exactly. Again, what is FAT?
Fat.
What is HER?
Uh,
Put them both together. What do you get?
fatter.
Okay. What is FAT?
Fat.
What is H-E-R?
Her.
Put them both together, what do you get?
Fat her. That is funny.
No. It's not fatter.
What is it?
Let me write it so you can see.
Tyler?
Ty, come here. Don't move, babe. Ty, what is F-A-T?
Fat.
Exactly. What is H-E-R?
Here.
No. Her.
Her.
What is F-A-T?
Fat.
What is H-E-R?
Her.
Put them both together, what you get?
Fatter.
No.
Okay, father. So, that's what
Yes.
That's
His father. Not father.
Say mama, you
Understand? He's not father. No, he's father.
What you doing?
Honey, she has something to tell you.
What did you say?
Not finished.
Not
No.
finished.
Mama, you're not funny. Say,
What?
Say to
What you
mama.
say, Sarah?
Mama, not finished.
You're not funny. Funny.
Funny. You're supposed to say, Mama, you're not funny. Fatter. No, it's not fatter, it's father. You figure it out.
Mama, what you doing?
I was giving Papa a joke.
Yeah, you can go back to your room, Tyler.
I was giving Papa a joke. Fat and her don't give you fat her, it give you father. Like Papa, father. Not father. Not father. Father. Okay? Okay.
Mama,
It's time for
I
you.
have another joke, but it's on you.
It's on me?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the joke?
Is that I didn't know you come from Egypt.
You didn't know I come from Egypt?
Yes.
Why?
Because in Egypt, in the pyramid, there is mummies. Mummy.
You heard his joke?
No, I can't get it.
Turn on your TV because the camera on. You didn't hear that joke? He said, Mama, I didn't know you come from Egypt. So I said, what do you mean? He said, in Egypt, in the pyramid, there is mummies. Mummy.
That's a good joke. At least
That's a good one.
That's mama. Tyler,
That's a good one, Ty. No, not putting on the princess. The princess is going to bed. Who tell you that joke, Ty?
No one is me.
Is you make it up? Jojo?
Yes.
That's good. Who to go to their room? It's you to go to your room right now.
Sarah,
Go pack up.
come.
You're gonna go to bed soon. Here is black. Here is gray. Red or blonde, they're all fair play. Here is curly. Here is straight. Each head of hair has this. These are my ears. Use them to hear. I don't have one, I have a pair. They hear loud bangs, they hear a squeak. They hear the door hinge when they creak.
Veux-tu nous aider? Acha.
Acha. Acha. Achum.
Lou et le pantin, qui s'appelait Pinocchio, rassemblèrent un gros tas de bois. Puis,
Okay.
on va chercher la compote.
Yeah. Say prayers until Papa come back. Sit and say prayers. Close eyes. Prayers.
Pray mama, pray papa, pray the God that bless me and make me according to time, Friday, Amen.
Amen.
Take it, Lord, for this house, it's for Mama, it's for Papa, it's for Taya, it's for Flora, sister of Sarah, for all the family and friends. Amen.
Amen.
Tell Faves night night.
Good night.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Go up on your bed and get your comfort.
You're wonderful here. Here is black, here is gray. Red or blonde, they're all fair play. Here is curly, here is straight. Each head of hair has a distinct
Treat.
trait. Some hairs stick up, while some lay low. It all depends on how yours grow. You can style it like the genies.
You know who are genies? The blue person that go and he live in a lamp.
Oh, like in Aladdin.
Exactly, that's a genie.
We wash our hair to keep it clean and take the knots from in between. Nose have hair that
Clean.
clean and trap the dirt and grime that passing up because there's hair.
Yes, hairs in your nose. Hairs in everybody's nose.
Oh,
The older you get, the longer they become. Look.
oh, poil.
Yes.
It protects our lungs. I'd like to add, what is lungs?
What's inside you to help you breathe? That's where you breathe from, your lungs.
To be this helping me.
Yes.
Mouth are clean, but they get in the
Continue.
when they get messy.
What it says.
Especially when they eat spaghetti.
When was the last time you guys see this man?
Was I coughing at the time? Was it in 2022?
I couldn't tell the last time you guys see this man. It's the first sit down ending of vlog they're getting.
It's about 2 months.
Probably.
Do you wash your face for morning?
You're bright and face, you fresh. And you may ask that the way you're in a bed from there, bright. Me wake up, work out, shower, cook, look after my pitney them, work, I'm fresh. But if me wash my, you may ask if you wash your dirty face from morning when you're in a bed. Bright. What bright you? What's that?
Oh, you're so live. She look at me in the corner like, will you say something at one point? Can I continue my life?
No. Haven't you been in bed all day? What time did you wake up today?
8.
What time did you wake up today?
8 something.
Okay, you wake up 8 and you went back to bed what time?
About 10.
Lie. I wake up at 9:30. I start working out 9:45. And by the time I'm working out, you were already
still in Jamaica
snoring.
time.
You were already snoring. And guess what? When I was making lunch,
You see from what time I wake up, she already changed her story to okay, what time you went back to, you see?
you guys,
Who wake up for the kids
Don't you guys
and give
saw-
breakfast to
don't
Sarah
you
this
guys-
morning?
I didn't dispute
Okay,
that.
so you
That
changed your
was
speech
it.
already.
And I said, you're right.
Okay.
And I woke up at 9:30 and you went back to bed.
At that
right?
time. Okay, maybe
Exactly.
9:30 I didn't look.
Exactly.
Okay. And what time I wake
And
up?
what time you wake up again?
I know.
But tell me.
No, I'm telling you,
Tell me
I'm
the
telling you
lie.
your lie. Tell me your lie. Tell me your lie, and I tell you if I agree or not.
Tell me the lie.
No.
Tell me. I was making lunch. So what time was it?
Tell
me the lie.
Tell me
About
the lie.
11:45.
I was about
What's
to say the
lie?
same time. You said the truth
What's
this
the
time.
lie?
I put pressure on you.
No.
I was about to, I came
no.
here, I saw 11:45 on the clock.
Exactly, because I know I give my kids lunch at 11:30.
So because I just put pressure on you, you have to say the truth.
No, I
Okay.
always speak the truth.
Okay,
Speak
so
the
that's
truth.
it. So that's all there.
Please God,
Is
and
that
shame
all
the
there?
devil. Yes, and then you go back to bed. What time?
No, I just lay down 20 minutes.
Lay down. You go back to bed.
No, my head was
You
hurting.
lay down. You
About
go back to
5:30 to
bed.
6.
Who is telling lie?
5:30 to 6. That's all day.
You can't go to bed 5:30 to 6, and when I call you for dinner at 6 o'clock, you come out here hardly can see you sleeping.
So that was 5:30 to 6.
It was before that, because you don't know when I pick up Sarah from nap.
You're so right. The football game was at 4:30, and I went just before the hard time, so it was 5:15 to 5:30. You're right.
Okay, you haven't seen the peeps in a long time, and this is what you're coming out doing, debating how long you slept through the day?
Yes, my darling, I'm just saying that you're lying, and I was right about you lying all day. So, yeah, once they see the truth, they will cheers on me, give a thumbs up on me.
You guys know say I feel like tell so. So you can't give the thumbs up.
You're a
right
liar.
away.
They already make a sounds on you like pants on fire, whatever.
They know you
This
like
is
they had
some
videos, so
things.
right now they're just
They have a
laughing.
sound say, man, give me a lie, give me a air, give me a liar.
Anyway, you guys, you see my face, I'm going to bed.
The
Because this man has
greatest
slept.
liar on earth. It's man.
Babe, the battery's gonna die.
Yeah,
I'm
you see,
going
I
to
already have a
bed
song for you.
because babe slept all day and I didn't. Said I'm tired, so I'm going to bed. Leave him. And he stay up and enjoy the luxury of watching TV.
Yeah, give myself a thumbs up.
Comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell them quickly, how's your finger? They've been asking.
It's a little bit better.
He can
It's
now
still
do
thumbs
this.
up, but
Can flex it
I
a little
can
bit.
flex it a little bit.
And he no longer have to wear
Yeah,
things.
there's things that I can do that I couldn't do, but I still feel a lot of pain, but I still don't have, how can I say, I still don't have strength on it. But it's slowly I see improvement. I'm happy.
Alright.
Maybe 2 more weeks and I will start soon the
Girls.
therapist.
You'll soon start to slap me again.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Yes, you have to go to therapist to know how to flex his stomach again. Look at this face, blind face. And I showed him the blind face. Look, you see, you guys, he gone right back to lay down. He's forever laid down, this man. Forever laid down.